Good morning, all dear students. Welcome to online math classes. And today we are going to start trigonometry. What is trigonometry? The first question is, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angle, which deals with measurement of angles and the problem allied with the angle. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मैथमेटिक्स की एक ब्रांच है जिसके द्वारा हम एंगल का मेजरमेंट करते हैं। कुछ ऐसे रेशियो होते हैं जिसके द्वारा हम एंगल का मेजरमेंट करते हैं और उस एंगल से रिलेटेड सभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं। क्लियर? व्हाट इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री? इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स विच डील्स विद द मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल एंड द प्रॉब्लम अलाइड विद द एंगल। क्लियर? एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो, we have find some ratio and this ratio is called trigonometric ratio. These are 6 ratio: sine, cosine, tangent, cosec tangent and secant and cotangent. Clear? Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. These 6 relation which is called trigonometric ratio. And trigonometric ratio is found in right angle triangle. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो इज फाइंड इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो को हम लोग हमेशा राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल से फाइंड करते हैं और हम कोई एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल लेट कर लेंगे। लेट ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ए बी सी इन विच एंगल बी इज राइट एंगल एंड वी टेक एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू थीटा या एंगल बी ए सी या सी ए बी इज इक्वल टू थीटा। एंड इन एनी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, if we take this angle, then the opposite side of this angle is perpendicular. This is the rule, this is the trick. We can take any right angle triangle, we take any angle of this triangle. One angle is right angle, then we can take this angle or that angle, and if we take that angle is theta, then this is perpendicular and this is base. If we take this angle is theta, then opposite perpendicular and with angle base. This implies AB is base and BC is perpendicular, and longer side या right angle के opposite sides AC is perpendicular in all triangles. Clear? Then let ABC is equal to theta. We can take ABC is equal to theta. Then angle के opposite sides BC is perpendicular and AB is base and AC is hypotenuse. And let base is equal to AB, B units. Let B units and perpendicular BC is P units and hypotenuse is AC is equal to H units. Then first ratio sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. First ratio sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, P by H. Clear? और V शॉर्ट में हम sin थीटा को इस तरह से लिखते हैं sin थीटा. Clear? And second ratio cosine theta is equal to base by hypotenuse is equal to B by H, and शॉर्ट में हम cosine थीटा को लिखते हैं cos थीटा. And third ratio tangent theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Tangent theta is equal to perpendicular by base is equal to P by H, and this is short form is tan theta. And fourth ratio cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is equal to H by P, and this is shortest form is cosec theta. Clear? And fifth ratio secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by base is equal to H by B, and this is short form is sec theta. And last ratio cotangent theta is equal to base by perpendicular is equal to B by H, and this is cot theta. Clear? We can take 6 ratio. These are called trigonometric ratio. And first ratio sin theta, second cos theta, tan theta short form is, and sec theta, cot theta. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, tan theta. These 6 ratio. First cos theta, sin theta is equal to P by H, perpendicular to hypotenuse, and second cos theta is equal to B by H, base by hypotenuse. Third is tan theta is equal to P by B, and perpendicular by base. And fourth is cosec theta is equal to H by P, hypotenuse by perpendicular. And fifth sec theta is equal to H by B, hypotenuse by base. And last 6 cot theta is equal to B by P, base by perpendicular. Please note it. Write down. Next, we can solve reciprocal relation. The three relation is called reciprocal relation. That is cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, or sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Second relation is sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, or cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Third relation is cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. This is called reciprocal relation. Clear? And we can prove it. Then in right angle triangle ABC, where B is right angle, and we can angle A is equal to theta, then angle theta opposite sides B is perpendicular, and this is base and this is hypotenuse. So we can take sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Clear? Cos theta base by hypotenuse. Clear? Tan theta perpendicular by base. Cosec theta hypotenuse by perpendicular. Sec theta hypotenuse by base, and cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Clear? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by base, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base, and cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. We can prove this relation. Cosec theta is equal to, first relation, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. We can put up this value. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular is equal to 1 by sin theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. This ऊपर is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse by perpendicular. 1 by p by h is equal to 1 into h by p. This is equal to h by p is equal to, implies that 1 into h by p is equal to h by p. Hypotenuse by perpendicular is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular, implies that left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is proof of first reciprocal relation. Implies that cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, implies sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. This is first relation. And second relation is sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base is equal to 1 by base by hypotenuse. 1 by cos theta base by hypotenuse is equal to 1 into hypotenuse by base is equal to hypotenuse by base, implies that hypotenuse by base is equal to hypotenuse by base. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, implies that sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Clear? Or cos theta is equal to, implies that cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. This is the second reciprocal relation. And third reciprocal relation is, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, implies that cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular is equal to 1 by perpendicular by base is equal to 1 into base by perpendicular is equal to base by perpendicular. The base by perpendicular implies that base by perpendicular is 1 by perpendicular by base is equal to 1 into base by perpendicular. 1 into base by perpendicular is equal to base by perpendicular. This one base by perpendicular is equal to base by perpendicular. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, implies that this is third reciprocal relation is cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, implies that tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Clear? This is called three reciprocal relation. Clear? Noted it.